Hey y'all, cooking cutlet, keeping it real. Just thought I'd come live and chat for a minute. I'm getting my barbecue chicken tenders out of the oven. What's for supper at y'all's house tonight? We're having barbecue chicken tenders, boxed macaroni and cheese, and asparagus. So I thought I would chat for a minute while I'm fixing my plate, see what's up in Facebook land. Anyway, I took about a cup of coffee that was left over in my coffee pot from this morning, put it over these chicken tenders, and put a bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's and a little bit of chicken seasoning. Baked it covered on 400 for about 40 minutes. And then I roasted my asparagus in the oven as well on 400 for about 40 minutes. We like ours almost crunchy around here. We'll get a little bit of macaroni. I hope everybody's doing good. Let me turn you around here. Ooh, that might make you dizzy. Let's see here. Let me drop this down. Let's see if I can see that and chat for a minute while I'm eating supper. Well, hey there, Deborah. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, gravy, and green beans. That sounds delicious. I like mine crunchy also, yeah. Hey, Linda Kelly, I hope you're doing good. Hope y'all don't mind if I eat while I talk. How was North Myrtle Beach? It was great. Weather was great. It was nice spending time with my parents and with my godmother. I missed what you made. Laurie, I made barbecue chicken tenders, boxed macaroni and cheese, roasted asparagus. That's what I'm having now. Oh, thank you so much, Rebecca. I actually came home, put this in, and then went for a walk. Trying to get in some exercise. Anyway, I've missed y'all too. Erica says she's having spaghetti. That's always a good go-to. With baby boy living at home this summer, I end up doing asparagus about once a week. Chicken fajita, that sounds delicious. Well, hey, Wendy Beach, how you doing? Oh, thank you, Roxanne. He's going to stay for his master's, so and try to play football at his last 2 years of eligibility. Well, hey, Barbara McDatton. Oh, Oprah, you're so sweet. Yeah, this is good, and that coffee kind of tenderizes the chicken. And I actually had sugar-free Sweet Baby Ray's. Manwich and fries sounds delicious. This time of year, it's hot, and if I go walking, eat supper, make plates for the guys, clean up the kitchen, and then take a bath and get in my pajamas. Chicken and fresh strawberry salad. Yum, Kendra, that sounds delicious. All is well. Yes, all is well. I'm wanting to do a few more vlogs here and there and share some, you know, quick, easy recipes with y'all. I have a recipe for peanut butter pie that I want to show y'all soon. Sharon, I'm still on here, just not as much. Working full time's changed that. I work full time Monday through Friday at a GI office, so it's a little bit hectic. Well, hey, Brenda Kimball, it's good to see you too. Anyway, I just thought I'd pop in and say, hey, it's much better to talk to y'all than to watch the news. All the negativity on that. My baby boy got his master's at Clemson. It's awesome, Oprah. It has been a long time. I know, right? Oh, thank you, Kimberly. I appreciate it. I cut my hair off. It's that time of year to do something a little fun and different. And hey, it's just hair. It'll grow back. I kind of thought I might want to let it grow enough to put it in a ponytail, but then I thought, nah. So we just cut it off. Oh, BLT sounds delicious. I don't have any tomatoes coming in yet, so no BLTs for me yet. But it should be long. What's your baby boy getting his master's in? Sustainability. He has his undergrad in health science and communication. Speak of the devil. There he is. He just loves his mama. Anyway, they're working on the farm. Moved to the country, retired too. That's awesome. Well, look, y'all. I'm gonna get off of this internet and finish dinner and get in my pajamas as quickly as possible. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening, and I'll be coming to you some here and there. Anyway, I'll see y'all when I see you. Take care. We'll see you soon. Enjoy your dinner. Bye.